Samco Special Opportunities Fund NFO. Will this NFO be a good value addition to your investment portfolio? Let us find out by doing a detailed analysis in this video. Samco Special Opportunities Fund NFO is open till 31st May 2024. Now let's start by analyzing some of its key features. It comes under Thematic Equity Scheme Special Category. It's an open-ended fund type. It uses Nifty 500 TRI as its benchmark. The minimum amount for investment is Rs 5,000. The fund manager name is Umesh Kumar Mehta. If redeemed before 1 year, 2% exit load will be charged. Moving on, let's discuss Samco Special Opportunities Fund NFO investment philosophy and investment objective. Investment philosophy. It aims to invest in opportunities across special situations that involves restructuring, turnaround, spin-off, etc. Investment objective. It aims to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing across all companies experiencing special situations and other special corporate actions. Now let's verify the suitability of this Samco Special Opportunities Fund NFO. It aims to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing across all companies that undergo special corporate actions and other special situations. This scheme is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish on new trends and emerging sectors. Now let's see the pros of investing in this NFO. This fund is diversified among the top performing companies that undergo special corporate actions and special situations. Investors seeking for allocation to the new trends and emerging sectors can invest in this fund. If the new trends and emerging sectors performs and delivers well, then investor can get even inflation beating returns, as it is a high risk high return policy. It is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish on new trends and emerging sectors futuristic performance. Before you make any investment decision, it is equally important for you to analyze the cons of investing as well. It is riskier for short-term investors. This fund is not suitable for your core portfolio. Not all trends in emerging sectors can translate into stock market returns. It gives overexposure to your portfolio, which again can lead to negative triggers as well. Not flexible and dynamic when compared to diversified funds. Can add more volatility to your portfolio. It has a high concentration risk involved in it, which makes your portfolio more riskier. And suppose if the new trend and emerging sector underperforms, then your portfolio can experience less returns or as well as negative returns as well. Looking to choose these kind of NFOs, then your timing and circle of competence should be on the higher side. It is always advisable to consult a financial planner before investing in any NFOs. So far, I hope I have covered all the necessary details that you need to know about the Samco Special Opportunities Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. Should you as an investor look to invest in this fund or avoid this fund? If you are a first time investor or a conservative investor, you should look to avoid this fund. There are existing Special Opportunities Fund which has a good track record in it. If you look to choose the best among those, it will be more than beneficial to your overall portfolio. If you are looking for funds for your core portfolio, then you should look to avoid this NFO. If you don't know when to enter or exit this Special Opportunities Fund, then it is advisable to not choose this NFO. But before you make any investment decision, it is always recommended to consult a financial planner, as he will be able to guide you on investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio and allocation part. With his guidance, you will be able to tackle all the investment challenges with ease and make an informed investment decision. So always consult a financial planner before making an investment decision. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.